If you're looking for an AI tool that can revolutionize your project management, the Gantt chart AI might just be the game changer you need. With its fresh release, it's already making waves in how teams plan and execute projects. But is it really as good as it sounds? Stick around because in this review, I'm covering the 7 crucial things you need to know about Gantt chart AI, and I'll tell you how to test it for free with a link in the description. Let's get into it. First up, Gantt chart AI isn't your typical project management tool. It blends traditional Gantt charts with the power of artificial intelligence, making planning and scheduling a breeze. It doesn't just help you create task timelines, it actually predicts project timelines based on data trends and past performance, so you're not just guessing when things should get done. Another key feature here is its intelligent resource management. The software analyzes your team's workload and suggests optimal task assignments. If you're managing a team, this alone can save you hours trying to juggle schedules manually. It learns from your data and adapts, ensuring that your resources are utilized efficiently every time. One of the most impressive aspects of Gantt chart AI is its automation capabilities. It can automatically adjust deadlines and task assignments based on real-time changes. So, if a project falls behind, it updates the schedule for you without you having to do a thing. This is huge, especially for fast-paced teams that need to pivot quickly without chaos. If you're a fan of customization, this software has you covered. Gantt chart AI lets you tailor your project plans with flexibility, creating workflows that match your team's specific needs. You can customize task dependencies, milestones, and timelines, making it easy to create a project flow that's uniquely suited to your operations. The collaboration features are next level. You can share real-time updates with your team, add comments, and track changes seamlessly. The ability to work with different team members in different locations has never been smoother. It's built for remote teams, offering smooth integration with popular tools like Slack, Trello, and Google Calendar, so your team stays connected no matter where they are. For those of you who are data-driven, Gantt chart AI offers deep insights and analytics. It tracks the performance of your project over time, offering detailed reports on task progress, resource allocation, and budget adherence. These insights are invaluable when you're trying to optimize processes or report back to clients or stakeholders. Lastly, let's talk about scalability. Whether you're working on a small internal project or managing a massive enterprise initiative, Gantt chart AI scales with you. It's designed to support teams of all sizes, and as your business grows, the software grows with it, without you needing to switch tools. And here's the best part. You can try Gantt chart AI for free by clicking the first link in the description. This gives you access to all the features, so you can see if it's the right fit for your team without any commitment. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've rounded up the best ones for you. Make sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description below, so you can keep optimizing your workflows with the most powerful tools available. I hope this review helped you get a clear picture of what Gantt chart AI has to offer. If you're ready to take your project management to the next level, don't wait. Give it a try and see how much easier your team's work can become.